All right, we've got a very fun interview in here with us today. We've got Holly Crane from Bookhouse Cinema in Joplin joining us, and I'm learning so much about Bookhouse Cinema. I've actually never been there myself, and I need to go because you guys are doing wonderful things.
Thank you. Yes, we were at 715 Broadway in Joplin, in Easttown.
We bought the building in 2017 and opened in 2018. We have counter service, dining, really great fresh food, and it's bigger than a micro cinema. It's a 47-seat art house theater.
So what type of films do you show?
We show new independent releases, documentaries, international films, and classics.
Awesome.
Every now and then we get a local artist that comes in with a film they've made. That happens at least a few times a year.
Why did you and your husband decide to go into this type of business?
Well, it was something that Joplin was really lacking. We both really like the more obscure films, international stuff, and at the time there wasn't everything available streaming either, so it really was a big gap in the industry, in the entertainment industry in the area, and people were really excited to have it.
Okay. Now, the building you're in is unique. It has a lot of history to it as well, and that's something you guys are working on right now.
Yes. There's a section of our neighborhood on Broadway in Easttown that is going to be designated as a historic district. That's all in the process now, but then we also have our building, which all the records we have date it back to 1907, and it's been a lot of different things over the years, but we're also going to be on the National Register where we have all that in process.
What are some of the qualifications to be on the National Register? Does it have to be like 100 years old or?
No, I don't think it's really even that old, but I think it's maybe like 40 years or more, but culturally significant. So just that area of the neighborhood is significant for its history, and our building is in it, and it's been a lot of things. It's been a grocery store and pharmacy and myriad other things over the years.
I know it. Art cinema.
Yes.
Yeah. Cool. Okay, so you guys have, what kind of films are you showing right now, or do you have a new one that's coming out?
We open new films just about every week, and this Friday we have 2 new films opening. One of them is a family-friendly stop-motion animation about a snail named Marcel.
Oh.
And the other one is called I Love My Dad. It's a Patton Oswalt comedy. Both are really funny. Marcel's really sweet too, though. And then we've got classics that we show here and there as well.
Okay. Are you guys open 7 days a week, or what's?
We're open Thursday through Sunday.
Thursday through Sunday.
From noon until 9.
Okay.
We serve food all day during that time, and then there's different show times that are listed on our website, and tickets are also available online.
And you have multiple showings throughout the day? Or?
Yep. We kind of stagger them because we don't only have one screen. And we have an outdoor space that we'll show movies in once it starts to cool down again.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, it's not too comfortable to sit outside right now.
It's really not. It depends on who you are, but I prefer to watch a movie inside this time of year.
And the air conditioning, yes. Besides, it's supposed to rain, so we want to be indoors.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, that's exciting.
Yeah. We need rain.
I stopped watching the weather forecast.
Maybe you should plan an outdoor film so that it will rain.
Oh, that would do it. That would definitely do it.
Okay, and how could people get more involved with Bookhouse Cinema?
Well, we do a lot of community events, so there's a lot of stuff that you'll see here and there, especially through Missouri Southern and some of the stuff they're planning for this fall. But if you go to bookhousejoplin.com, you will see all of our show times. Our hours are listed there. You can contact us through that if you're interested in hosting an event or want to request a certain movie or birthday party or anything like that.
And you can become a member as well?
Yep, you can sign up for a membership where you'll have your own account to sign up through movies, rate them, all of that, and we have a monthly membership program as well.
So I'm guessing you take stock of what people think of the movies to bring in the new ones.
Yes, absolutely. Yeah, we do take suggestions because there's a lot of movies out there, and we do only have the one screen, so we want to make sure to try to support the people that support us by bringing them what they want.
That's awesome.
It's a give and take.
Anything else you'd like to mention this morning?
No, we're just really excited about rain.
I made your day.
Yeah, you did. I'm so excited. Thank you so much.
All right. Well, Holly, thank you so much for coming in. And I guess I can't say break a leg. It's not that type of show business. So
no, I'll keep my limbs intact if I can.
Yes. Let the curtain rise. There we go.
Yes.
All right, and good luck with the historic status.
Thank you. Thank you so much, Tanya.
All right, we'll be right back.